So this Yamaha Warrior 350 head is almost ready to be placed on the rest of the engine, although I still need to put those caps on the both sides. But the problem is that the thread on most of them is damaged. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use helicoil to fix those threads so I can close those caps. So first thing is to just drill the hole, which should be bigger than the existing one. Then using this thread repair tool to make the new thread, and then insert those small inserts, cut the ends off, and then we're ready to go. What we do next, just cut the new thread. Okay, after it's fully rethreaded and moves freely, I will need to clean it and then put the spring inside. Now using this tool to slide the spring on, just need to insert it. Okay, it should be in place now. As you can see, there is a little bottom which needs to be stripped.